Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's the same, it ain't changed.
That's all good. Give me the info real quick and then I'll get a demo.
It's 10 SA12s on 5 SA3Ks at half on each.
Half on one? Okay. How's your tuning?
It's I don't know what, this is not finished yet, so it's not tuned, but it's a 3-to-1.
3-to-1 ratio?
Yep.
Have you metered it yet?
Yep. It's a 160.1.
160.1. Nice. 60s club. Okay. Awesome. How about your battery and electrical?
I got 3 JS 300 amp volts on 77 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Make them tell the club up. Take your a lot of change. Make them tell the club up. Take your Oh my gosh, dude. My chest hurts. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Travis.
Travis. Thanks, Travis. Is there, can I see the amp in the back? Dude, my chest hurts for that. That was brutal. Nice. What is your peak at? Do you know your peak for that? Like 48, 49?
46.
46? Okay. That was a good peak. Wow. Thanks for the demo.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Woo. My chest hurts from that. You're on Team Base Outlaws Top 10.
I'm on Teammate Loud.
Teammate Loud?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just compete in Base Outlaws.
Okay. Wow. And these are all at half on.
Yep.
Woo. Nice. Thanks for showing me, man. You have a good day.
Yeah, man, no problem. You too.
But I see a lot of change. And the top. Make them tell the club, with your
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.